Hey guys, this is Alex Forey with Lightspeed Construction. I'm coming to you from Fountain City. We're here on a roof and just doing a quick estimate and inspection. And really, this roof really needs to get redone. I'm going to show you some things on the roof. If you can look, and hopefully the sun is capturing it correctly, you can see all this fiber glass peeping through. That means there's not a lot of granules on the shingle itself. Right here you can tell not a lot, which is going to cause major roof leaks. We're here on the ridge line. There's a hole right here that's definitely going to cause a roof leak as well. There's a nail pop here, nail exposed here and here. This is really going to be kind of a concern. We don't know what's going on the inside, but we do know on the outside that I think the best thing for this roof is new shingles. Get a nice little re-roof. I don't know what the customer was wanting to do in terms of repairs, but I think the best repair and the cheapest option is definitely going to be a new roof. Here's some more nail pops. Going to cause some leaks right there as well, and right there, and right there. You can see all the granules on the shingle are gone, and it's really just you're not going to really be able to fix it. You're just going to really either re-shingle it or stay with what you have and hope for the best. There's another concern on this side over here. The pipe boot is coming up, which is definitely going to cause a leak. Again, I haven't been on the inside yet, but definitely on the inside. Here's the pipe boot. If you can tell right there, and that's exposed. What we'll do is we'll caulk it as well. That's a quick, easy fix. But again, Lightspeed Construction, Alex Forey coming to you from Fountain City on this roof, and we'll definitely take care of the customer and make them happy. Thank you very much.